Yo, what is up guys? Today, I've got a bone to pick, and it's with those cringy ass, sad boy TikTok motorcyclists. So recently there has been an exploding trend on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, where you have these bikers kind of idealizing suicide, glorifying death, and glamorizing the act of injuring yourself on a motorcycle, which is just, yeah. That's, even just saying it out loud like that, there is clearly an issue. Now, I get it. Different strokes for different folks. Everyone will enjoy different kinds of content, and that's fine. I'm not judging people for that. Where I do draw the line is when it starts to become harmful. And I think these kinds of videos firmly cross over into that territory. Now, it is partly to do with the fact that TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels are all short form content, and because of that they need to be very high impact. But my point still stands. If it's harmful, I don't think it should be promoted. So let's get into my first gripe with this whole trend. I think it takes the piss out of mental health. A few years ago I lost a mate to his own struggle with mental health, and that kind of clued me up. It really opened my eyes and the eyes of my immediate friend group as to how delicate and how precious mental health can be. And these content creators, quite frankly, are taking the absolute piss out of that. The sad thing is, a large audience on TikTok for these sad boy motorcycle kind of videos are young boys. They're not even men, they're just young boys who are really impressionable and vulnerable, and quite a few of them actually don't realize that all of this is drama, it's exaggeration, it's almost radicalization. Oh my god, feels bad, man. Could have been me. Bloody hell. Anyway, these audiences, they're young, they're impressionable, and they're vulnerable. And there are some people out there who will see this content and take it as Bible. And I understand that this is the internet. You can't really protect anyone out there. As content creators, I feel like just because it's the internet and just because legally you're not required to, I don't think that voids the ethical and moral obligation we have when we're putting shit out on the internet. For a lot of us motorcyclists out there, we understand there is a risk, but that doesn't mean we want that. It doesn't mean we go out hoping to wrap ourselves around a tree. It doesn't mean we're going out every time we ride with the hopes of coming home in a coffin or as a paraplegic. It's actually one of the scariest things as a motorcyclist. And to go make videos about it, to glorify it to a certain audience, again, it's taking the piss. It's just unnecessary, man, and it is so, I think it's offensive. We got to look out for ourselves, look out for our brothers, look out for those who are younger than us, and kind of get them educated. And glorifying suicide on a motorcycle is definitely not the way to go about that. Secondly, right, moving on from mental health, this is a bit more subjective because it comes back to that argument of different strokes for different folks. Everyone enjoys different kinds of content. Everyone rides for a different reason. But like, ride to live, not to die, right? The reason I ride is because of the immense sense of freedom I get. And it's probably the closest I'll ever get to piloting a fighter jet. And then beyond how incredible riding a motorcycle is, you've got the convenience benefits. You know, I've started dailying this motorcycle, riding it to work on a regular basis, half-price tolls, free parking, filtering through traffic. There are so many different reasons that I ride a motorcycle, and they're all pretty positive. I just don't get why, when you've got all these incredible benefits to riding a motorcycle, you'd choose to focus on probably the most negative part of riding a motorcycle, which is how likely we are to get injured or fatally injured in the event of an accident. So many awesome reasons to ride a bike, and you're going to choose that. I understand the adrenaline side of it, but that's really different. I also ride to get a shot of adrenaline. I don't know, there are a billion other ways to package this content beyond talking about how cool it's gonna be when you wrap yourself around a tree at 150k an hour. Like, man, just relax. And yeah, personally, I just find it so cringy and attention-seeky and dramatic. So unnecessary, man. The funny thing is, it's primarily adults who are posting this because, unfortunately, these videos get likes from other people who want to idealize the act of dying on a motorcycle, from people who think it's cool, from all these young, impressionable kids who start to think it's a big part of the culture. Those are my 2 points. It's about the mental health of yourself, your peers, and those who are looking up to you. And secondly, it's just like, come on, man. So many reasons to ride a motorcycle. Why would self-harm be one of them? If it is, don't glorify it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. We are now in Melbourne's fantastic CBD. Oh, look at that, dude. Thank you. That was really nice. What a dude. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.
You say you got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you got them drugs, but I've never seen